How to watch NFHS Network on TV. So, if your smart TV has access to the official app store such as Google Play Store or Apple App Store, you can easily download and install the NFHS Network app. So, turn on your smart TV and navigate to the App Store. This is usually accessible through a dedicated button on your remote control or through the TV's home screen menu. Search for the NFHS Network app using the search function within the App Store. Alternatively, you can navigate through the categories or sections to find the app. Select the NFHS Network app from the search results or app list and make sure to read the app description and user reviews to ensure it's the official NFHS Network app. Click on the download or install button to start the installation process. So, depending on your smart TV and internet connection speed, the installation may take a few minutes. Now, once the installation is complete, locate the NFHS Network app on your smart TV's home screen or app launcher. Open the NFHS Network app and sign in with your valid NFHS Network account credentials. If you don't have an account, you may need to sign up for a subscription or create a new account within the app. After signing in, browse through the available sports and events on your NFHS network. You can select the content you want to watch and start streaming on your smart TV. And that is how you can basically watch NFHS network on TV.